Hi there, Ads here from Herman's RV Holidays, and just recently Zoe and myself took Herman to the Caravan, Camping and Motorhome Show 2019 at the NEC.
In this video we'll be looking at MotoTrek, Frankia and Rapido.
Okay, so here we have the MotoTrek X-Cite. It looks like any other motorhome. Step inside, look at the size of the place in here. It's like a TARDIS.
Yes.
Huge lounge. And that is because this side here is a pop-out. It pushes out just like the old American RVs. Gives you plenty of space. It turns into a bed as well by the looks of things. We have a nice sink, of course, and the 3-hob stove and oven, grill. I do like the woodwork. I mean, I think it's veneer, some sort of plastic covering, but it's well, it won't open that one again. Microwave and the television just here. This looks like a large wardrobe. Let's take a look at that. It is. It's quite deep. Plenty of hanging space. Oh, the fridge, yeah, the fridge there as well. We never get to open those, do we?
I know.
Now there's the bathroom, and it goes right across. I mean, because of what's happening with the pop out, we've got quite a large bathroom here. So this is the toilet, storage up there. Turn around. I mean, it's quite narrow, but it's better than a.
Well, and also
a wet room, right?
At the bottom, isn't it? So the water won't all come out.
Yeah, it's a step down, that is. Very nice. Storage under there. Storage in the thing here, the mirror. Very good, I think.
Big mirror, isn't it?
Right, again. Big storage area, cupboards. There as well. Is this one of those?
Lots of cupboards.
There you
This
go.
one doesn't open.
This is a pull-out rack. Probably put some wine in there or something. What's the matter? This doesn't. No, this is the sink here.
Oh, I see.
But looking back though, it's quite nice. Storage up there, plenty. My only gripe about it is the fact you've got to make the bed. It's all right. Thank you. So there you go. So that's the Excite EB Elite.
This is the MotoTrek Excite G at £73,305.
Okay. Again, we've got the pop out just there. Don't have the cupboards. It looks a lot smaller than the other MotoTrek. But we have the kitchen area. I think it's the same equipment. Okay. The television, tiny little thing up here. Microwave. And then back through here we have a bed. Not that large, not that wide, but it will sleep too, I think. Storage underneath here. It's a wet room bathroom. I think, to be honest, I think I'm preferring the other one, even though you have to make the bed up in the other one. Let's take a look at this wardrobe.
Sorry.
Oops. Now we'll take a look outside now. Okay, storage area here is a massive garage and some extra space underneath here. I'm not going to open that though. Shelving space, even a light as well. That's not too bad. And of course the pop-out area here. Very good. I do like these pop-outs. It gives you an extra Give you that extra room, give you extra comfort. Okay, so that's the MotoTrek Excite G. Oh, and don't forget the Elite. This is the Frankia Ri740 Plus. Whoa! There's a huge smell of glue. Now that is a very large round, isn't it? Got this step though.
Well, that's because you've got the storage underneath. Isn't that
Smells very new, doesn't it? Oh, it's very firm as well.
I think we've been in this one before
Have we?
when we came last time.
So anyway, let's take a look round.
Look at the little lights.
Yeah, little lights there. Cupboards look quite large.
Music's on, isn't it? Look at that with the little plant in the cabinet.
So like the little plant. And we'll drop down into the kitchen area where we have a 4-hob oven and grill. Oh, there's a grill there, and there's the oven. Cook in a box. Drawer space for cutlery and maybe a few other things.
There's a bin there.
The sink.
Yes, it's when you stand. Oh, this is weird.
That's quite a large sink actually, isn't it? That feels very solid. It's quite nice. Nice.
Look at this lovely shower here. The doors.
Opposite is our fridge, freezer, microwave oven, and one huge wardrobe. I feel like I'm at home with that. That is enormous.
Sean let out.
That's almost a walk-in wardrobe, isn't it?
That is big.
That is very large. Not sure if you'll be able to hang much from there though. Oh, and the mirror. Don't forget the mirror.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
That can be useful for parties. And in the middle we do have the shower. And well, how does that close? Oh, here we go. So there's the closing off the shower area, the bathroom. That's not going to work. We need to do that. And then we close that off. And then we have the shower, toilet area, and the sink. These cupboards. Oh, yes, this one is a cupboard. Is that one as well? Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that! Someone wants to come in. That's very clever, isn't it? Carpeted all the way through. And there is our, oh, this is our drop down. Do not pull on electric bed. This is an electric bed. And if I remember, somewhere around here were the steps.
Sorry.
There we go. Is that the steps? No, this might be the steps. That must be the steps. For some reason it's not coming out. But yeah. Very nice. Let's take a look at the garage. Very roomy. Heated as well by the looks of things. And that goes some distance back too. Whoa, all the way back there. I don't think you can go very far wrong with this one. Awning light has LEDs across the bottom of it. Be very useful. Okay, so the Rapido 8094 DF, and this model is 7950. Zoe's getting herself comfortable already. Nice posh leather. Just bring out the table. There we are, ready for your meal. So that will seat
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that's 6 really.
There's our drop-down bed.
Down there. It's like a tulip.
Some storage area in here.
They've all got that sort of pump action, haven't they? The
Yeah.
pulleys or whatever.
Ouch!
Big
Quite a
skylight.
nice, quite a
heavy,
nice
huh?
effect on the wood there. It's quite nice, isn't it?
Is that an extractor fan?
Mm.
Yeah.
Extractor fan. And we've seen this layout many times with the sink and the 3 hobs. The oven's behind us. No oven behind us. Oven's down there. Oh, I think we've been in this one before. There's our fridge freezer.
There's our fridge.
What's up here? I don't know what you're going to get in there though. Right, so we got the bathroom here and the toilet there. All these doors squeak, don't they? Very posh.
You can close that off. So here's made. Yeah. So look at those. Isn't it? Like leather. Deal.
Oh, it's bouncy. Right above the wheel here, I think. Yeah, I am. In the back here we have not leather, but a cloth material L-shaped lounge. We've got plenty of room across the top here. And they're quite deep as well.
Place there to put a telly, haven't you?
And LED lighting.
That's quite nice storage.
Place to put the television. A nice big window there and there.
That's quite posh, isn't it?
Just imagine sitting there like this,
And then you can close off.
relaxing.
Yes, because you can close that bit off, and if anybody's cooking or whatever, alright.
Oh, I see. Yes, blocking out any sounds from the kitchen area. There are 2 groups of people in here, couldn't you? One watching the television, one in there having a natter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a bit strange, isn't it? It doesn't sit very well.
Don't know what that is. What is that? Footstool?
You've got under there.
She doesn't know.
It doesn't fit very well on it unless it goes on the
And a wardrobe. A bit of a weird angle, isn't it? That's because the bathroom's a bit of a weird angle.
Yes, the
Like
bathroom
chopped
could be
off.
bigger, couldn't it? If you chopped off a bit of
Right. We have visitors. Right, okay, so outside we have, just below the rear lounge, we have this very large locker. It's a shame we got losing room with that thing poking down, but that's got to be the floor and the seating's just above us.
isn't it, this one? The lounge.
Looks like we got water as well. Very nice.
So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. We normally vlog our travels around Britain and Europe in our motorhome. I'm going to leave some video cards for you to click on so you can go directly to some of the tours that we've done. In a few months' time we'll be doing the West Atlantic Way in Ireland, so if you don't want to miss that, please do subscribe and ring that notification bell. But before we go, don't forget to rate this video, give it a thumbs up or thumbs down if you like. If you feel that you have something to say about this video, or maybe you've actually got one of these campers, or you're intending to buy one of these campers in the near future, drop us a message in the comments section below. We'll be very interested in hearing from you. See you in the next video. Bye bye now.